Proton Exora installed for Cogoo 10.1-inch Android GPS big screen player, CG-010AD2, 2GB RAM with 16GB storage, no DVD version. Okay, connect with Exora original roof DVD monitor. Okay, extra add-on for a Cogoo Night View Plus front camera, front parking camera. Okay, so this is Cogoo 10.1-inch, 2GB RAM, big screen 10.1-inch, fixed with universal bracket, and connect with OEM power socket and OEM styling control socket, plug and play. So styling control. Okay, and choose for the special frequency 90.7 to connect the original roof monitor is playing DVD, so the sound will connect to the radio frequency 90.7. Okay, got the equalizer adjustment, hand band. Okay, no DVD version. It's got a 2 USB extension, so which is put in a drawer. A full menu, aux video input to connect front camera view. Okay, easy connect for mirroring function, selected phone model, Android Wi-Fi, Android USB or iPhone Wi-Fi. Styling wheel control setting. So you have to log in a Gmail account, download app from Play Store. Before that, you have to connect your Wi-Fi, player Wi-Fi, turn on, connect with your phone hotspot for internet. About car, so Android version 7.1, 2GB DDR RAM, fresh 16GB. Pairing with your phone Bluetooth for Bluetooth calling or Bluetooth music. Click for the BT music icon for Bluetooth music. Change wallpaper. A 60 touch. You can change the boot logo. So for factory setting, password 8317. So you can do the factory setting. Back to home. So this is Android player. You have to clear apps all the time. So press here, clear it one by one, or press all. Okay, when night time, you can turn off the screen when you're driving. Touch anyway to turn it on. Okay, so this is Cogoo 10.1-inch Android GPS Android Plus series, CG-010AD2, 2GB RAM with 16GB storage, OEM socket, plug and play. Okay, video by 1bis. Thank you.